everyone, welcome to WebTech tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process on how you can easily get access to your car insurance account for Lloyds Bank. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the web address bar that pops up at the top, type in Lloyds Car Insurance Login and press enter. You'll end up in the search results displayed on the next page. Click the first link that says Car Insurance, Existing Customers, Lloyds Bank. Soon after you click that, you'll be taken to the Lloyds Bank official web page. Scroll a bit down and right where it says Existing Customer My Account, click on Log On to My Account if you are an existing member. If you've not registered for an account yet, click on Register for My Account. Once you click Log On the next page, you'll be able to open up a new tab. Here, in the login area, enter your email address in the first text box. Now, right where it says password, type in your password correct as well. Once you type in the correct credentials, you can click the login button in green. But in case you've forgotten your password and you don't remember it at all, click the forgotten your password link at the top of the password box and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset to a new password. Finally, after you're done typing in your credentials and you're ready to log in, click the login button and you'll be logged into your car insurance account for Lloyds Bank. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If you do think it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.